What's going on, man? It's DNA Snacko. If you're wondering, I'm at my friend's house.
I don't got no. Yeah.
And he's playing a video game. So.
He in the front. He in the front there.
If you hear that, that's why. But I wanted to make a quick video anyway. I hope this video is not bad because of him. But he's playing the game, so I want to make a quick video anyway. This is going to be really quick. I was sitting here thinking, I was talking to my friend Robert too before he hopped on the game, and I was like, should I separate my Congo right here? This one, if y'all don't know, I have a big Congo in the front right here, just a whole bunch of dreads. Like this whole thing is pretty much the Congo. Everything else is pretty much, see how everything else is like pretty much its own thing, you know? And I kind of want to see what that would look like, you know? Just having that separated. I told myself I won't do any separation, but I think I'm going to break that for y'all. And this is how y'all will vote whether or not I should separate this Congo or not. You vote. I have a Twitter, @RealTurnSnacko. I'm going to leave the Twitter. I'm going to leave the Twitter in the description, and y'all go on there and y'all vote yes or no whether or not I should separate this Congo, and I'll do it. If y'all want to be a part of this journey, man, it's free. Robert. Okay, if y'all want to be a part of this freeform journey, just please go to my Twitter, follow my Twitter, and vote. I'm going to put the poll up there, and yeah, just go vote on the poll, you know, yes or no on the poll. And another thing, thank you for 100 subscribers, man. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's just so amazing. Thank you for 100 subscribers. And I'm gonna do more things like this. I'm gonna do a lot more of should I do this or should I do that kind of things on this channel, just so y'all can be involved with this freeform journey, and it just won't be like, hey, this is what I'm doing, you know, y'all did this. Whatever happens to my hair from this point on with 100 subscribers is y'all doing. Y'all did this to my hair, okay? So I want y'all to be a part of this journey and be involved as much as possible. So please go on that poll and vote. Thank you for 100 subscribers, man. And I love y'all. DNA Snacko is out.